So we're trying to follow all the rules of the government for the COVID-19. So we're doing a limited parikrama, a brief one, but still we are doing. So we're doing the parikrama, small parikrama, according to the rules of COVID-19. We're trying to follow the rules of the government like this. But we're doing, no? Anyway, we're doing the program, brief, but we're doing. Like, so yesterday we went to. Sorry, Gurudev is telling where they will go tomorrow, and he's explaining. But I just spoke, so I could not listen. But he's saying about tomorrow's schedule. Oh Lord.
होते हुए चीरघाट के पश्चात वत्सवन के पश्चात मथुरा में.
So after Vatsavan, we'll come back to Mathura.
करते हुए मथुरा में.
I think it's frozen, this Hindi. It's not working. At least not in my computer.
Gopkumar.
Okay, so yesterday I told the story of Gopkumar. So Gopkumar, he had reached Sadashivlok by chanting. No, after Sadashiva, before going to Vaikunta, he was chanting only the Mahamantra, not the Gopal mantra anymore, to attain to Vaikunta. And when Gopkumar went to Vaikunta, so yesterday Gurudev said that he would tell everything again because we forget so easily. So he was just reminding us the katha again. So Lakshmi Devi, and this Hindi is terrible, this connection, reception here. You can see, how is it?
और उस समय जब गोपकुमार जब पधारे.
So when Gopkumar came,
और उस समय जब गोपकुमार जब पधारे,
then Swayam Bhagavan,
स्वयं भगवान वैकुंठाधिपति उनके निकट आकर के
the Lord of Vaikuntha, came to him and
उनके भी कैसे वार्तालाप करने
spoke to him. Narayan spoke to him.
भगवान के देखकर शंख चक्र गदा पद्म चतुर्भुज शंख चक्र गदा,
Seeing Bhagavan with his
सुंदर रूप जो है,
the beautiful form of Lord with 4 arms,
सुंदर रूप जो है, उन्हें दर्शन किया.
and especially
स्वयं भगवान
Swayam Bhagavan told him,
हे गोपकुमार,
hey Gopkumar, you Radharani Prabhu Dhanavad, could you also go live because the Vijay Prabhu's connection is so bad we cannot understand.
Just within a minute.
Please go live as well, we cannot see. Thank you.
किंतु देखो इस धाम में आने के लिए तुम्हारे लिए दूसरी गोवर्धन में है आज में, और तीसरी क्या है, गोपकुल में तुमको जन्म दिया.
So I gave you birth in the Gopa dynasty in Govardhan. So I tried so much to take you out from material existence.
गोचारण करते करते जमुना में पानी पीने के लिए आए थे, और मैं ही तुम्हारे लिए गुरु के रूप में इस और साथ ही साथ मैंने
So,
फिर तुमको मैं
so, I,
आकृष्ट करूं।
so you saw me chanting, and then I
किंतु उसमें कौन आकृष्ट हो?
attracted
जैसे
you.
भगवान की कृपा
So many people they listen to kirtan, but who will be attracted? Those who have this mercy of God upon them. Because if you don't have this mercy of Lord, you'll not be attracted to the kirtan.
फिर मैंने क्या कि
So later I,
तुमको मैंने अत्यंत प्रेम प्रीति भर से तुम्हारी कुशल वार्ता भी मैंने
with so much love and affection, I asked you about your welfare, no, about your, like, how are you, like this. So you started to,
बताया कल
yesterday I told, Lokik said Bandhu Bhakti Priti, the way to attain to Lord is,
क्या है बताया
what is it?
बताओ
Tell me.
भगवत प्राप्ति के सर्वश्रेष्ठ
So
उपाय
the
क्या है
best way to attain to God is
गौरव
Gaura.
लौकिक
If we develop Lokik Sadbandhu Bhat Priti, means worldly,
गुरु के प्रति
just like a worldly relationship with Guru, this affection, just like we have for our family members in this material world.
समझा
What did you understand?
प्रति माने
What is Lokik Sadbandhu Bhat Priti?
हाँ? क्या
Materialistic love, the devotee told.
लौकिक सद बंधु बद प्रीति जो सनातन गोस्वामी का
Sanatana Goswami used these words.
अर्थात
So
he is my
he is my family member.
आ समझो
Understand?
हमार हैं? हाँ माने हमारे एक परिवार के सदस्य हैं
Like he's a member of my family.
इस भाव के द्वारा
This
इस
mood.
भाव जब हो जाता है
When you have this mood,
तब भगवत प्राप्ति की देर नहीं लगती है
so it will not take a long time for you to attain to God.
हमारे परिवार के सदस्य मतलब जैसे हमारे परिवार की माता पिता भाई
Just like, for example,
परिवार जो भी
our
है,
mother, father, parents, like their family, our family, like what happens in a family member, their happiness is our happiness,
बीमार हो जाए
their distress is our distress. So if someone's child is sick, their parents' mind will be always nervous and thinking, worrying about their kids' health.
इसी प्रकार करें
So-
लौकिक सद्बुद्धिवत
So Lokik Sadman Bhat Priti, affection is like a family member. His happiness is your happiness, his unhappiness is your unhappiness.
है और उनके सहित उस प्रकार जो है लेन देन भी होता है ददादि
So then also giving and receiving also.
भुजते ही चैव षड्विधा प्रीतिर लक्षणम है देखो इसी प्रकार होता है
So like this.
इसलिए स्वयं भगवान गोपकुमार के स्मरण दिलाया
So Swayam Bhagavan told to Gopkumar, hey Gopkumar,
तुमको मैंने नहीं यही पूछा था क्या तुम्हारे कितने गाय है कितने
I asked you about how many cows you had, how much milk they were giving,
क्या की
and then
मैंने जाचना की मांगा
I asked you also to bring some milk for me. I told you, bring some milk for me to drink.
तुम इस कथा को सुन करके
And then when you listen to this,
ऐसा समझिए हैं? देखो भगवान की कैसे प्रेम होता है जैसे माता पिता
So-
पुत्र के कोई
if,
खाने की वस्तु दे दिया चॉकलेट दे दिया
for example, the parents give some chocolates to the kids, to the
और
children,
उस चॉकलेट को दे करके
and sing the-
कहने के, बेटा मुझे भी एक दे दो
showing,
हैं?
so they give the chocolate to the children, and then they tell to
पिताजी को क्या कहते हैं
the kid, oh, give me a bit also.
पिताजी का क्या होता है
So then the child gives also to the father some chocolates, and then the father becomes like choked, like he's like a emotion, like a touched. He becomes touched by this action, you know.
हाँ पप्पा इसको खा
Oh yeah, Papa, yeah, eat this chocolate. Then the kid feeds his father.
पिताजी के गद
So
चित्त कैसे गदगद हो
his chitta becomes gad. It means like he becomes, his voice choked, tears coming down, rolling down. He becomes touched, you know, moved by this thing that his kid did, you know, his son. So Gopkumar,
थोड़ा मुझे दूध पिलाओ
when I told you to bring some milk for me,
हो गए और हर रोज मेरे
when you listen when you listen to my request that I wanted some milk, you also became touched, like he listened to this, and then I drank just a bit and I gave you all the rest of the milk. And then
मैंने क्या कहा तुम जगदीश्वर के प्रसाद ग्रहण करो
I told you to accept the mercy of
क्योंकि मैंने
Jagadishwar,
देखा इनके सुकृत को जो है पुष्ट करना है
because I thought, oh, I
क्या
must
करते हैं इसी प्रकार किसी न किसी प्रकार से
nourish his Sukriti, because the Guru does this. He wants to somehow nourish the Sukriti of the disciple.
अपने प्रसाद दे करके
For example, he gives his own prasada, or by any means, the Guru
सुकृति को जो है
will nourish the sukriti of the disciple.
और फिर जब मैंने देखा ये
So
योग्य बन
when I
गया,
saw that you became qualified,
तब मैंने कहा
I told
तुमको
Gop
मैं ये
Kumar,
बहुत मूल्यवान और गुप्त वस्तु तुमको
I
देना
want to
चाहता
give
हूं।
you a very priceless and valuable thing and confidential thing.
Very valuable thing।
I want to give you some very confidential and valuable thing I want to give to you. Will you accept it?
इस कथा सुनते तुमने कहा
Listening to this, you told,
हे गुरुदेव आप जो कुछ भी
"Hey,
दोगे
Gurudev, whatever you give
मैं
me,
हाथ पसार करके वो ग्रहण
I'll just open my hands and accept it."
है। ये कथा स्वयं भगवान वैकुंठ
So
अधिपति
actually, who told this?
गोप कुमार को सुना रहे थे।
Vaikuntha, Lord, Lord of Vaikuntha,
और
Narayana
इसी
told
कथा को
to
कौन सुना
Gop
रहे?
Kumar.
गोप कुमार अपने शिष्य
And who is telling this story to whom?
माथुर ब्राह्मण को,
Gop Kumar is telling this story to his disciple,
है?
the Brahman of Mathura.
तब
So,
मैंने तुमको क्या दिया था?
so what did I give to you?
गोपाल मंत्र दिया था।
I gave you the Gopal
और
mantra.
इस गोपाल मंत्र जप करके तुमने
And
मेरे धाम को
chanting this Gopal mantra, you attained my abode.
स्थान को
But
चलते हुए
first, you
और अंत में मेरे धाम
crossed many other places. Then you came to my
तुम्हारे
dham.
सारी इच्छा को ही
So
मैं ही तुमको पूरा कर दूं।
I fulfills all your desires because the mantra is the form of God.
भगवत स्वरूप है,
Mantra is Bhagavat Swarup.
है? इसलिए तुमको मैंने ये समझता दिया,
So I gave you
है?
this.
इसी प्रकार गोप कुमार की
So
सारी
like
याद
this,
दिलाने लगी।
Lord Narayana reminded Gop Kumar of everything that happened. Gop Kumar was so happy and he was like crying.
आचार्य विषय है। गोप
But
कुमार
some conception is there. Like, look,
पधारे
when Gop Kumara came to Vaikuntha, in which Swarupa he was? He was in the same form of a cowherd with his cowherd clothes.
एक होने पर भी जब भगवत धाम में जाते हैं तब उन्हें चित्त शरीर प्राप्त होता है।
Although he was using the same clothes and same kind of body, actually he didn't go with his material body. His body there was like transcendental.
इसके अंदर में क्या है?
So, like we have a material body, but inside our material body there is the chit sharir, spiritual body. And doing bhajan slowly, this spiritual body will manifest. The example given is like
बीज है,
a seed.
हैं? देखो बीज है,
Imagine a seed,
बरगद का पेड़ है, पीपल का
for
पेड़
example, the peepal tree, or for example, banyan tree.
है। एक बीज को बीज में
One
सारा
seed,
सब कुछ रहता है।
everything is there in this one seed. All these roots, all the leaves, everything that the tree might have, everything is inside the seed.
के बीज जो है,
Or suppose a mustard seed, for example.
देखो उसमें सब कुछ रहता है।
So everything is inside the seed.
अपने नाखून से फाड़ तो कुछ दिखाई नहीं
But if you open the seed with your nails, like cut in the middle, you'll not see anything. But if you take this seed and put in the earth, and if you water the seed, and
हैं? फिर वो स्प्राउट हो
then the seed will sprout,
जाए, अंकुरित होगा,
then it will, grow, and
पेड़ के रूप धारण करके
slowly will become a tree,
पत्र पुष्प के रूप में वो विकसित।
and it will manifest like leaves, and will be a plant like this.
ठीक उसी प्रकार जीव के हृदय में है।
So in the same way,
चित्त सिद्ध कृष्ण प्रेम साध्य कबू नाय,
the jivas have this in their
श्रवणादि
hearts.
शुद्ध चित्ते करो उदय, उसको प्रकट करना
The jiva already have, just need to manifest.
है। अनर्थ आदि जितने भी दूर होते जाएगा।
So the more you clean from anarthas,
जो है वो अपने आप विकसित होगा।
the swarup of the jiva naturally, automatically will manifest.
है, इसे कहते हैं श्रवण कीर्तन जले करो सेचन, तुम्हारे पास तो है वो,
So you have this already.
बाहर से नहीं आएगा।
Nothing will come from outside.
संप्रदाय कुछ लोग कहते हैं
Some people from Babaji Sampradaya say
ऐसे आ जाएगा, ऐसे
that
नहीं।
according to the association you have, that mode will come. But no, you already have everything, but it's like a latent position, just like a seed.
जो मैंने इसलिए कहा रहा है, देखो वो जैसे कैसे, जैसे सांप जैसे अपने केचुला के छोड़ करके,
So just like a snake changes her skin and goes away.
साधक
So in the same way, the sadhaka doing bhajan slowly,
स्थूल शरीर को छोड़ देते हैं,
he gives up his material body
यहाँ
and
तक भी उनके सूक्ष्म शरीर वो भी छोड़ देते हैं।
also gives up his
सूक्ष्म शरीर
subtle
के
body.
अंदर जो उनसे शरीर
And
रहता है,
inside the subtle body, there's another body called Atma Sharir, the body of the soul.
उसी शरीर में स्थित होकर के
So establishing this body, the sadhaka can go to the abode of God.
देखने में जैसे एक लग रहे हैं,
Looks like the same body, but it's not. It's a transcendental body.
हैं? इसलिए कहता है नित्य सिद्ध कृष्ण प्रेम श्रद्धा कबू नाय, श्रवणादि शुद्ध चित्ते करह उदय। हैं? गोप कुमार के एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य जो है हम बार बार आपको
So again and again, I remind you about the speciality of Gop Kumar.
जब उसके जगन्नाथपुर में मिले
So when he met his guru in Jagannath Puri,
जब वो जगन्नाथ जी के पट बंद हो गया,
because when the altar of Jagannath was closed, Gop Kumar was so upset always. Then he used to go to walk in the beach, take a walk on the beach, and remembering his guru. But one day suddenly his guru appeared, and then he held the feet of his guru and he was crying, Gop Kumar. And then the guru reminded him, "Oh, actually, this your form is eternal. You will always be with this form."
शरीर ही था, किंतु उसके कौन समझेगा?
So his body at that time was already cheat, spiritual, but who could understand that?
आइए वैकुंठ में,
So okay, he came to Vaikuntha.
लोक में जाने के लिए वो चित्त शरीर होना चाहिए।
Because to go to these other lokas, you need chit sharir, transcendental body.
इस मर्त धाम में हम रह रहे हैं,
So we are in this material world. So now we have a material body.
स्वर्गलोक में जाए,
But if you go to Swargaloka,
शरीर के द्वारा आप जा नहीं सकते।
you cannot go to Swargaloka with the material body. So go to Swarga, you must go with
वो है भोग विलास शरीर होता है,
Bhoga Vilasa Sharir, a body for sense gratification.
है सूक्ष्म शरीर होता है उसमें।
It's one subtle body.
है ये कैसे है, ये कैसे देखो जिस स्थान पर रहना है उसी के अनुसार उसके शरीर में।
Because when you go to a different place, you have to get a different body for that. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj gave an example of, for example, a fish stays in the water, right? Under the water.
पानी में कैसे उसके उसके अनुसार ही उपजी।
So his body is appropriate to live under the water. That's why he can live under the water. We cannot stay so much time under the water, isn't it?
आप समझ में नहीं?
Understand?
वो स्वच्छंद रूप में ऊपर आ रहे हैं, नीचे जा रहे हैं, और उनके कोई कितने समय पानी के नीचे वो रहता है,
So you see,
फिर कुछ समय के लिए ऊपर आ जाता है, फिर कितने कुछ ऐसे तो मछलियां अनेक
you know,
समय तक
the fish can stay so much time under the water, isn't it? No problem. They go up, down, they under the water, no problem, isn't it?
जैसे आप वो देखते हैं ना,
Like for example, you can see in the YouTube,
कितने कितने मछलियां जो है
so many
समुद्र के नीचे गहर
fish, they stay under the, deep waters of the ocean, in caves under the water, isn't it?
वो कैसे रहते हैं?
How do they live there?
उनके शरीर है,
Because their body is appropriate for that, that's why.
है समझ रहे? मछली कैसे रहते, ऊपर कैसे रहते हैं, ये भी विज्ञान भी दिखाए।
So the scientists also, they see that.
ऐसे उनके शरीर में ऐसे के क्या वैक्यूम है,
They have some vacuum in their body. And according to their desire, they can inflate it or make it empty. And like this, they can control if they want to go up in the water or down in the water. You know,
मछली जो आपको काटते हो ना,
in Bengal, you can see that when you cut the fish,
देखोगे
if you cut the fish,
बैलून के भांति वो रहता है, हैं? हाँ देखा नहीं कि देखा,
have you seen?
हैं? देखा है ना, हाँ उसको जैसे देखो उसके फट जाए, बिल्कुल बैलून के भांति है,
Like a balloon.
बैलून के भांति देखने में है, ऐसे
So the fish, they like a balloon.
विज्ञान के लोग जो
So the scientists, people, those who study biology, like the science, they study these animals.
मछली कैसे वो रहता है,
How the fish can stay under the water?
बैलून के अंदर उसके अनुसार
Because he has like a balloon inside him, and he can control it, inflating it or making it without like air. And like this, he can go up or down in the water.
कुछ समय जाने के बाद जबरदस्ती करके जाए, कुछ समय के बाद
So if you try to make like a dive in the water, automatically your body will go up,
अनुकूल शरीर
So wherever the jivas are staying, they get a favorable body.
पानी के नीचे,
For example,
बर्फ के
Under
नीचे,
the
और उसके नीचे भी मछलियां रहती
imagine in the cold areas like where there's Siberia or these places with snow,
हैं, बिल्कुल ऊपर जो है
like there's some like how to say these ice things,
बर्फ पे ऐसे तोड़ो, और
know.
देखो, उसके नीचे भी
So if you see even like this ice like how do you say, in Siberia for example, even the water is there,
सेकंड बर्फ में खड़ी नहीं हो सकती,
and in this water there's also fish. Imagine we cannot stand there for 2 minutes, but this fish who live in the water under the ice of Siberia,
क्या शरीर चाहिए?
they have a special body for that. So to go to Vaikuntha also you need a special body, transcendental body.
तो गोप कुमार के जो स्वभाव चरित्र जो है,
So this character of Gop Kumar, actually his body was divine and transcendental.
किंतु उसके
So under the glacier of Siberia, there is also water, and the fish also stay there.
वृंदावन की
So Gop Kumar, his mood was Sakyaras of Goloka Vrindavan.
वैकुंठ के इतने ऐश्वर्य देख करके भी उनके मन
So he saw so much opulence in Vaikuntha, but his mind was not influenced, was not impressed by that.
देख करके स्वयं भगवान ने क्या
And
की,
seeing him in this condition, Bhagavan himself sent him to Ayodhya.
तो यहाँ पर हाल की यहाँ से
So yesterday I stopped here, right?
छोड़ दिया था। देखो वहाँ पर जाम लोग में गए और देखा राम दरबार
So he
को
went to
देखा,
Ramlok and he
ऐसे
saw
भगवान रामचंद्र
Ram Darbar,
सिंहासन पर
like,
बैठे हुए,
you know, the
मायन
court
और
of like
माँ जानकी
Ram,
देवी, है,
you know,
मन
how
भक्त
Ram is
सत्य
there
सिंह,
with
है,
his,
सबको देखा,
I mean, court is
है,
not the word, I think
और
the kingdom, you know, of Ram. He saw like how Ram is there with his wife Sita, Lakshman is there, Hanuman is there, he's standing at the feet of Ram.
समस्त राम दरबार ऐसे सुंदर है,
Called Ram Darbar. It's like Ram and his associates, main associates there. So how Lord is there in Ayodhya, he saw.
और कैसे भगवान रामचंद्र कैसे उदार भी है,
How Bhagavan Ramachandra is also so generous, he saw.
भगवान रामचंद्र कैसे सुंदर है, वार्तालाप भी कर रहे
So
हैं,
he spoke in a very beautiful way with Bhagavan
अपने
Ramachandra.
प्रजाओं के साथ कैसे मधुर व्यवहार आदि
And how Ramachandra also behaves in a very sweet way for all the
देख करके उनके
people of
हृदय
Ayodhya. And he became very pleased seeing this.
किंतु वहीं पर भी भगवान रामचंद्र भी कथा समाप्त होने के बाद भगवान रामचंद्र उसके निकट में बुलाया।
So after the katha, Ramachandra called him closer and, oh yeah, I forgot to tell something. When he was in Vaikuntha,
प्रसन्नता नहीं था, क्यों?
his mind was not
ये
pleased.
वैकुंठ
Why?
के पति जो भगवान जो है मर्यादा वो क्या बोलते हैं,
Because Ramachandra,
गंभीर रहते हैं,
sorry, because Lord of Vaikuntha is always very serious.
जैसे कुछ लोगों के बात होते हैं ना, कैसे कैसे हो,
Like some people, how are you? And the person is like,
और कोई कहते हैं हे आप कैसे हो, देखो एक ही शब्द बोलने की,
you know, like some people say, hey, how are you? And some people are like, how are you? So those who are big, generally they are like speaking so much,
बहुत अल्लाहपन जो होते हैं उसी प्रकार बात करते रहते हैं, किंतु वैकुंठादि भगवान
like great voice and like deep, like, oh, how are you? Like this. So, but those people, other people, kind of people, just like, oh, how are you? Like, you know, light mood. You know, because
कैसे रहते हैं,
actually in Vaikuntha, God is
भगवत्ता में ही
100% established in his Bhagavata, means his supremacy. He's always thinking, I'm Bhagavan. So he's so serious and grave, you know,
गंभीर होकर के रहते हैं,
very serious,
ऐसे।
you know.
किंतु देखो
But
रामलोक में आए,
when he came to Ramlok,
ये गंभीरता थोड़ा कम हुआ,
so this Gambhirata, this seriousness decreased, like lessened a bit.
मधुर व्यवहार भी है,
So Bhagavan Ramachandra, he's also like a serious and deep, grave, but less than Narayana, you know. So
भगवान के कैसे
he saw in Ayodhya
अयोध्यापुरी
how it's such a beautiful Ayodhya Puri,
और स्वयं भगवान अयोध्या वासी के प्रति,
and how Swayam Bhagavan
वासी के प्रति कैसे प्रेम प्रीति आदि रखते हैं,
has love and affection for the Ayodhya Vasis, he
और
saw.
वहीं पर रहे, किंतु वहीं पर ये क्या है,
But something,
बंदर जो है उसके उत्पात
the monkeys, they were disturbing Gopkumara in Ayodhya. Behad Bhagavatam explains.
कुमार के हाथ में
Explains. Because Gopkumara had always in his hand a flute, right?
साधारण गोप बेस में हो रहा है,
So he was always in normal clothes of a Gopa. So wherever he went, he was always absorbed in his own swarup, like his form of being a Gopa, and his nature also was of being a cowherd. Wherever he went, Gopkumar.
उनके स्वभाव
So his
कोई
naturally he had this nature. It was not like a fake or pretending thing. Like naturally he was like a cowherd always.
हाथ में जब बंसी है,
So he had always the flute on his hands, and sometimes
कुछ लोग कहते हैं ये तुम ऐसे क्यों ड्रेस में
some people used to say, why are you using these clothes? Why are you wearing this kind of clothes?
भगवान है,
He's Bhagavan, you know.
दरबार है,
This is his, you know, like his kingdom, his courts, like, you know, the court of Lord Ram.
राजा के पास जाए,
How do you say courtyard? No, how do you say this? You know, this. So if you go to meet the king, you must go with
उधार से रख दिया, ऐसे नहीं,
nice clothes. You know, so you have to do pranam to him, folding your hands.
अनेक प्रकार उपदेश आदि देने सुनने लगे,
So everybody, they were giving this kind of instruction to Gopkumar,
विचलित हो गया,
but Gopkumar's mind was disturbed.
आज समझिए विचलित क्यों हो गया, एक गोप कुमार के मन में ये एक भावना
So
रहता है,
Gopkumara, he was having one mood in his
मैं गोप,
mind. He was thinking, I'm a Gopa, cowherd.
अपने स्वभाव में स्थित हो रहा
And those who are
है, भगवान के प्रणाम
Gopas,
करना,
they are in their own nature to do stutis, to do, you know, prayers to God, to do pranam. They're not thinking about this. They don't have this nature. The Vrajavasis, they don't think Krishna is God, you know.
भगवान नहीं,
They don't think Krishna is God.
वो जानते हैं ये एक भगवान
They know,
है,
oh, there's only one Bhagavan who?
जो नारायण
Shalagram
के रूप
Shila
में
Narayana, which is in our house as Shalagram Shila Narayana.
जो गोप कुमार के इसे स्वाभाविक स्वतःस्फूर्त
So
रूप में
Gopkumara,
भाव होने लगे।
he had also this natural
वहाँ के लोग
feeling,
उनके कहने लगे,
but
देखो,
people there were
यहाँ पर
saying,
जब
were telling him,
रामचंद्र जब
oh, this is the royal courts of
दरबार में
Lord
आते,
Ramchandra, you came
सब लोग
here.
कहते, भगवान रामचंद्र
Everybody,
की
people
जय।
says, Bhagavan Ramchandra ki.
जय राम जय सिया राम सीताराम सीताराम भगवान रामचंद्र के कथे पधारी
Bhagavan Ramchandra is entering.
इस प्रकार अनेक प्रकार से
Like so many prayers they do to Lord Ram, like this.
बंदर क्या करने लगे,
And the
कभी-कभी क्या
monkeys
करते हैं,
there in Ayodhya, sometimes they used
उनके
to
कपड़ा जो है ऐसे इधर पीछे
like to pull his clothes, you know.
उनके भी करते हैं भाई,
Even
उनके वंशी तक भी
even the monkeys even stole his flute, used to steal his flute sometimes.
कि बंदर कैसे हुआ है,
Because
जैसे एक मैं
the nature of the monkeys.
रूप सनातन गौरी मंदिर,
So in our temple, Rup Sanatana Gauriya Mata,
छत पर
once
सोए हुए थे,
we were sleeping on the roof.
ऐसा नहीं,
Understand?
तो सब दिन हम लोग क्या चादर ओढ़ करके सोए,
We were sleeping under a chadar, like under a blanket
एक बंदर है
or like
क्या किया,
a
मेरे
cloth.
चादर के ऐसे से खींचने लगे,
So I didn't see,
मैंने
but
सोचा कोई ब्रह्मचारी हमें साथ जो है
but a monkey, he was pulling my
मजाक कर
chadar.
रहे हैं।
I thought it was some brahmachari playing with me.
बंदर क्या करते, उया
So I
कर
said,
देते हैं ना।
hey.
बंदर क्या करे,
Then the monkey
छोड़ दिया, फिर जब
left
मैंने
my blanket,
ऐसे
well, not blanket, you know, this
चादर के से दो तीन बार के मैंने
thick
हाथ को
cloth.
बंदर है पूरा बेच बड़ा
So, and,
करके
so then again another monkey was pulling. Then I said, hey, but when I saw it was a big monkey, but then the big monkey just jumped to another place when I spoke to him.
वो एक बार देखा
Like this.
बंदर कुछ जो है उसके
So in the same way, when Gopkumara was staying in Ayodhya, some monkeys were disturbing him, you know. And also people there were saying, people were telling him, oh, you know, God, he's Bhagavan, do these prayers to him, like this. And Gopkumara was not liking all this situation. Ramachandra asked to Gopkumara how he was and how sorry, but Gopkumara, he was very upset. And then thinking like this, Bhagavan Ramachandra thought, oh, I have to send him ahead. So Ramachandra sent Gopkumara to Dwarka, so he came to Dwarka. So the Katha of Dwarka is so beautiful. How Bhagavan, he is in Dwarka. How Uddhava also is there and others. So later, tomorrow no, but maybe, okay, evening, tomorrow, we can discuss more. Such a beautiful katha. So really, Uddhava and Narada, this conversation between Uddhava and Narada. So they were there, but Dwarkadish Krishna was not waking up, not coming out of his room. And at that moment, Gopkumara came. So Gopkumara, he could hear the conversation. He was able to hear the conversation between Narada and Uddhav. And after that, Gopkumara was so pleased. And after some time, Bhagavan Dwarkadish Krishna, he came out of his room, and everybody welcomes him. Tomorrow we can speak about that. So tomorrow we 5:30 a.m. So 5 a.m. the bus will come, and everybody please sit on the bus. And tomorrow we're going to a far place. So before, okay, first we'll go to Ramghat, just like in the time of Gurudev. Just like you used to go. So first we'll go to Ramghat. And then we'll listen about Ramghat and Baladev Prabhu, how he attracted Jamuna. So we'll listen about everything. Then after Ramghat, we'll come to Bihar Ban. And in Bihar Ban we'll take Prasadam. And also Khilvan Katha also we'll listen, and then we'll go to Chirghat. After Chirghat, we'll go to Vatsaban. Well, Brahmaji, he stole the cows. And then Vatsaban, and after that, we'll go to Garur Govinda. And after Garur Govinda, we'll come back to Mathura Mart. Those who want to go tomorrow, mercifully just write your name. Please write your name. Who will go? Everybody will go. Write your name.
महात्मा किताब ले आओ,
Great soul.
नाम लिखो।
Please take the book and then paper and write their names down.
क्या? अरे दे दो, वो तो अपने अपना नाम लिख दे।
Give to them and they can write themselves their
बहुत
names.
प्रेमान। अच्छा, महाराज के दो। कौन महाराज?
Give to Maharaj. Which Maharaj? Srinara Singh Maharaj.
मैं तो सुनने